steamers.
Ooh, and it's kind of a steamy day.
Happy as a clam.
Well, hello friends, and thank you for joining our channel. Normally, we are running a few months behind in our videos. However, with Hurricane Idalia on our tails, we wanted to share with you our situation. We are the blue dot, and as you can see, we are right in the hurricane cone. We are leaving our current campground near Old Town, Swanee River Hideaway, and heading to Camp Margaritaville in Auburndale, Florida. In our video today, we will share with you what being in the outer bands of Hurricane Idalia feels like, sounds like, and looks like.
There's that.
We are packing up. We are running from Hurricane Idalia. Skies are beautiful right now. Got some cirrus clouds. Few cumulus clouds. The birds are alerting to take cover from the hurricane. We hope that everyone stays safe. Make sure you follow the rules for hurricane evacuation. We've been watching and packing for about the last 3 days. We're a day early, but we'd rather drive in the sun and blue skies compared to wind and rain and traffic. So be safe, everybody. And we'll be right back. Hopefully there's no damage. We're right on the Swanee River, so there could be some flooding. We still gotta lock the front door, lock the side doors. Be safe, little birdies. We'll miss you. There might be some mandatory evacuations coming real soon.
With our toolbox, I can't see the hitch very well, so I got one of these little magnetic, I think they go on a golf cart or something, but I stuck it on my hitch. Backed up first time. Tug test.
Okay. Cardinals are saying we need to lock and load and get out of, what is it? Get out of Jones. We're gonna do a little tug test here. Success?
Success.
Yay. Not too bad in the shade, but if you're in the sun, it's brutal.
Brutal.
What's the saying? The Cardinals are telling us to get out of
Dodge.
Get out of Dodge. Thank you, Cardinals. We'll miss you. There's one. Hi. Fill your bellies there, little Cardinals. A little bit of a breeze, but not much. Oh, Mommy found the seed on the rock. Right.
Oh.
Somehow we always forget to lock this side. Uno. Dos. Tres. Be nice, Idalia. Be nice to Swanee River Hideaway. so we can come back. In our video today, we are also going to take you to Cedar Key and Horseshoe Beach. Our visits there were in mid-August and mid-September. This would be pre-Hurricane Idalia. We will list all of the places that we know where you can make donations to Cedar Key and Horseshoe Beach to support them in the hurricane disaster. You better check your checklist. Do you want to check it real quick? Always, always check your checklist. Stay with us, and we will tell you why we had to pull over.
I'm praying for you.
Yep. Praying for all the trees and the birdies and the squirrels, the rabbits and the deer.
Humans.
Dixie County could sure use some rain, but not too much rain. Even a dust trail. Beautiful clouds. Just be nice to us, Mother Nature.
So what do you think? I think we'll stay hooked up tonight, then if it's okay tomorrow, we'll unhook and enjoy our 2 days.
Okay.
But just in case, we got that alert that when we were in the hurricane watch, beep, 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 on our phones. Both of
Oh,
them.
that woke me up. We made our way safely to Camp Margaritaville in Auburndale, Florida. We had a great drive. Traffic was not too bad. Remember earlier this afternoon when I asked John if he would like to check his checklist? And he said no. Well, guess what? While we were driving along, someone came up to our window and started waving their hands, and John realized that this is probably a sign that we need to pull over and take a look around the rig and see what's going on. That's when we noticed the cap on the Stinky Slinky tube came open. Thank goodness we didn't lose our Stinky Slinky. Thank you so much to the guy that waved us down. We appreciate you. As you can see, the blue dot has moved with us to our new location. And this being our third hurricane, we have realized that knowing what county you are in is very critical when you're watching the weather. We were in Dixie County, and now we are in Polk County. Writing down your current address is very important also. As you might know, John and I both love watching the weather. We have several apps on our phone, we have our weather radio, and we were able to get the local TV stations here in Auburndale so we could keep an eye on what was happening around us.
Ready to have diesel today.
What does that say?
Out.
I guess this would be the beginning of Idalia here in Auburndale. in Auburndale. Wish us luck, friends. There's another Alliance RV. Stay safe, friends. Stay safe, Alley friends. Here we go. Actually, the rain and the temperature feels great. Okay, I'm getting a little wet. This is the direction the storm's coming from. Be safe, Eagles. Hold on tight. Oh my goodness. John is putting out our rain gauge. I wonder how many inches of rain we will get over the next 5 days. Leave a comment. Make a guess. When we checked in to Camp Margaritaville, we asked where's the safest place if there happens to be a tornado or strong winds. The man at the check-in station said here's the park map and some information. We read in the paperwork, during a storm, the safest location is within your RV or camper. The campground paperwork continues to say, stay safe and enjoy your stay at Camp Margaritaville. Hello, friends. Here we are, riding the storm out. From our campsite, which is Site 116, if you look left, you can see an eagle tree. So awesome to be able to see this eagle pair and their huge nest. Stay tuned, there will be some more pictures of this eagle family. Hurricane Idalia is continuing to intensify as she moves north and eventually northeast across Florida. Idalia will continue north and northeast up the east coast. Our continued prayers are with those that could be in Idalia's path. Hurricane Idalia is a historical event. There are no major hurricanes in the historical data set going back to 1851 that have tracked into Appalachia Bay. John and I have learned from Hurricane Idalia that when you are in the outer bands of a hurricane, you are more likely to be in a tornado watch or warning. In preparing for potential high winds up to 70 to 80 miles per hour, we have a full fresh tank of water. If the weather gets too bad, we can always leave in our truck and leave the RV here at the campground. We flattened the picnic table and made sure that nothing was outside. No lawn chairs, no pretties. Everything was put away, safe and sound. We looked in our emergency bug out bag, which is also our fire safe bag, to make sure that all of our important documents and paperwork were in order. We made sure that we had a week of all of our medications, water bottles, snacks, our raincoats handy with our rain boots, and 2 changes of clothes, and of course, a flashlight. As expected, our tornado watch turned into a tornado warning on Wednesday morning. Starlink did good. Our thoughts and prayers continue to be with those that are in the pathway of Hurricane Idalia. Here in Polk County, we are finally over with our watches and warnings. We were so happy to see the eagles in their eagle tree. They did great.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Oh!
We can just skirt on the outside though, right? When
Yep.
we come back.
Yep.
Labor Day weekend, friends.
Oh my God. How we get? Yeah, we're gonna sneak in.
I hope. Have you put in the comments yet how much rain you think we got in the 5 days that we were here at Margaritaville in Auburndale? Up next is our little day trip to Cedar Key and then to Horseshoe Beach. Both day trips are pre-Hurricane Idalia. Hi friends! Welcome to Cedar Key, Florida.
Steamers.
Ooh, and it's kind of a steamy day. John and I had a great lunch at Steamers. John had fries and coleslaw and grilled shrimp, and I had the Greek salad with grilled shrimp. Both delicious. Cedar Key is a charming little town right along the Swanee River and in the Gulf of Mexico. The town of Cedar Key is on Way Key in Levy County.
I'll go in front of you. You ready?
There's one loose board coming up. Damn, that'd be a dangerous fall, wouldn't it?
This board right here.
Yeah.
We didn't check their open.
One more.
I'm open.
Gotcha.
Three more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Huh?
You betcha.
You see what I got up those?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. No, you're perfect. Look at this side right here.
What?
We might have a magnet in here.
There's the ice cream.
Oh yeah. It's got all kinds of things.
Walking back on this side, aren't we?
Yeah. John and I did not realize that we were on the Big Bend Shellfish Trail. I will put a link in the description that tells you all about this trail. Of course, the temperature was close to 100 degrees again today, but we had a good time walking through Cedar Key and the little shops that we found along the way. John found his favorite t-shirts. The brand is called Comfort Colors. And of course, I found a magnet and a few stickers to add to my sticker book. Are you looking for some land to buy? If so, we found some land for you. Only $250,000. Cedar Key is an island located 50 miles southwest of Gainesville, Florida. Cedar Key sits 3 miles out into the Gulf of Mexico. Highway 24 is the only way in and out of town.
2004. This is 1939 at the top one. 2004 and 1969. Wow.
Cedar Key was settled in the early 1840s and became a resort for wealthy planters in 1842. This island was named after the eastern red cedar junipers, which were once abundant in the area. Cedar Key was a main shipping port for cedar, cypress, pine, rosin, and turpentine. Manufacturers up north depended on the cut cedar trees from Cedar Key to produce pencils. Hi friends, welcome to Cedar Key with John and Christy.
Yeah, lights not too many.
Uh-oh.
Ooh-wee.
Lots and lots of parking here. Big enough for our dually.
Free parking on the bridge.
Yeah. There she is. Now we are heading to the Cedar Key Welcome Center. Hello! Oh, feels good in here. We found all different types of brochures, maps, even some recipes. In the Visitor Center, we learned about the importance of salt marshes. Salt marshes are coastal wetlands, rich in marine life. They are dominated by plants such as rushes, sedges, and grasses. Salt marshes occur where fresh water from rivers meets salt water from the ocean. Once thought of as a wetland, salt marshes are now considered to be vital coastal habitats necessary for the health of the marine environment. Salt marshes filter water and absorb pollutants, reducing the amount of toxins entering the tidal creeks. Did you know horseshoe crabs are not true crabs? They are relatives of scorpions and spiders. Horseshoe crabs date back before the age of dinosaurs, 350 million years ago. It's gone today, huh? We'll be back in December. Thank you. Wear a sweater. Yes, okay, will do. Be glad to. There are many art shops here in Cedar Key, such as Cedar Keyhole, Turtle Trail, and Island Arts.
I gotta get him. There's the fish you hooked. Huh. It's cute.
John and I really enjoyed the sculpture garden. So cute!
There's a turtle. Right here.
Oh, little bench.
Oh, I got him. He flew by.
Aw.
He's just flying in circles. Wild.
Yeah. Make a wish.
Psychedelic.
Zoom in real close.
Won't stop.
Holy crap. It's sweating.
Tiki bar.
Get that?
Oh yeah.
You got it on the camera?
In a second.
Hi.
How funny that you see somebody you've seen never in your life but twice in one day.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
See you down there. We're following you.
Yeah. Is it worth it to follow you to this
Yes,
place?
well, very much.
You want a nice drink there? Great.
And it's unusual. It's nice.
Yeah,
The fish is
quirky.
jumping out.
We
There you
like
go.
that. We like that.
Well, first before we started, we went to Yankee Town
Oh.
to a place where
Yeah, some in the
Elvis
shade.
did a film in 19
So follow your dreams.
Follow Your Dreams.
Oh wow.
And it's only about
1361.
yeah, about 30 or 40 miles this way.
That's
There's
right.
nothing
Remember we heard about that movie. And
Yeah.
is it the Elvis Presley one?
That's the one.
Yeah.
So we've been there first today, had a look around.
like that. Thank you. Nice to see you again.
Have a great day.
Enjoy.
And you.
Great day.
Bye.
Bye now.
Bye bye. We had to get that sign right there, the tiki bar.
What have we seen there?
Right there. The arrow.
Oh, where do we see the people at?
Oh, I think we held the door for them.
At the restaurant?
Maybe I'll take more pictures. But yeah. Oh, yeah, did you see that?
I got it.
Okay.
Here you will find a tiki bar, an RV campground, and a motel for adults only 21 and up. Pets are welcome. On the day we were here, the RV sites are about $96 a night, and seems that they can fit up to an RV about 45 feet. The hotel rooms run from about $123 to about $165 per night, and they have a kitchenette.
We got frozen drinks. Moscow Mule, I heard that was really good. That's so cute. He's beautiful.
This is a sign to call your mom.
Look at that big fan.
Hi, Mom.
What is that?
There's the water.
Oh, there's diamonds. Oh my gosh, the water's right here.
Oh yeah, it is.
From watching many YouTube videos over the years before we started our full-time journey in the RV life, I had stumbled upon this tiki bar and have been wanting to come here for about 4 years. Finally, my dreams came true and I was not disappointed. This is truly a fun, magical place, and we can't wait to come back again soon. Maybe, just maybe, I can talk John into bringing our RV here and we can spend the night.
Did you guys find it? Were you able to find it?
I'm looking for it right now.
Come
wheeling?
Then it's W-H-E-L-I-N. L-I-N. John Christie.
With John and
Yep.
Christy? It would be so funny if I was artist or something. Wouldn't that be hilarious?
That's it. Well, I don't know how you're gonna get your subscribers. That's us. Videos. That's from subscribers.
You just said 200!
Yeah.
Tell
Oh, my phone's in the car. But you got it. That's the one.
All right,
Thank you.
awesome. Yay! Thank you, friends.
Look at that. Always a low-key hideaway. Welcome, friends. Relatives by appointment only.
You guys lost your friend in the water over there.
Scared me. I thought the dog jumped.
Oh my
I was like, wait a minute, I got her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that's pretty funny.
This is really pretty.
Okay, you sit down. You'll be good.
John and I have so much fun meeting new people, especially like-minded people at eclectic chill places. We learn so much from talking with others, such as travel ideas and tips.
We have signs that there are no strangers here, only friends that we have not met yet.
If you blink, you might miss this amazing stop. John and I cannot wait to come back. This food truck looks awesome too.
No one told me my music was off the whole time.
Oh, it was on a minute
You were
ago.
yakking so
We were
much.
all just enjoying conversation. I just sat there and I said, there's been no music on.
Welcome to Horseshoe Beach. Horseshoe Beach is a laid-back, friendly fishing village located on the Gulf of Mexico. Horseshoe Beach is a town in southern Dixie County, located near the center of the Big Bend coast, 19 miles southwest of Cross City on County Highway 351. In the past, bay scallops supported commercial fisheries. Now, bay scallops are only harvested recreationally. In Florida's Big Bend area, healthy seagrass meadows still support abundant scallops. Horseshoe Beach was first settled in the early 1800s by lumber companies. Between 1820 and 1890, the Butler, Hines, and Ward families began settling the Dixie County area. The Butler settlement was located across the oyster beds from the cattle pasture that would later become Horseshoe Beach. In 1935, C.C. Douglas and Burton Butler purchased this land for $324. The lumber company was pressuring the residents to move on. Douglas and Butler offered each resident the lot that they were living on for $10. Horseshoe Beach became incorporated in 1963. Horseshoe Beach is an interesting mix of private residence, a few vacation condos, and other small businesses that serve fishing, boating, shrimping, and more. John and I truly enjoyed our visit here at Horseshoe Beach, the last frontier of Florida. And we can't wait to come back and visit again.
Appreciate the song very much when I was younger, I guess. You're foot tapping, huh? Yeah. If you're walking, you might be doing your...
Thank you so much for sticking with us and watching our video. Here's a little recap. We decided to leave our campground at Swanee River Hideaway near Old Town, Florida on Monday, August 28, 2023. We went to Camp Margaritaville near Auburndale, Florida. We were there for 5 nights. On Saturday, September 2, we decided to go to Ocala North RV Park near Reddick, Florida. We stayed there for 2 nights. Now, Monday, September 4, we are heading to Marianna, Florida. Today we will check into Florida Caverns RV Resort on Merritt's Mill Pond, and we will be there for 14 nights. After that, we are hoping that we will be able to go back to Old Town Swanee River Hideaway Campground. Once we got onto Interstate 10, we noticed the devastation that Hurricane Idalia's outer bands caused. We also noticed that the trees along the Swanee River were just devastated. At the Madison County, Florida Wait Station, there was a staging location for Hurricane Idalia cleanup. They had campers, tree trimmer trucks, fuel trucks, lineman trucks, all ready to go to work. And looking at the trees that were trimmed already, there must have been so much work already done. We are sure that our video doesn't do the damage justice here along Interstate 10. Interstate signs, billboard signs, and so many trees. Our continued prayers and thoughts are with those that were affected by this Hurricane Idalia. At the end of this video and in the video description, I will put information on ways to support and donate to Cedar Key and Horseshoe Beach, Florida. Over the last 21 days, John and I have felt very blessed. Living in our RV full-time gives us options where other people, they do not always have so many options available to them. Camp Margaritaville, Ocala North RV Resort, and now Florida Caverns RV Resort have been very accommodating, and we truly appreciate you all. Oh my goodness, this is a first, an escort to our site, Site 16, with a lawnmower. This is a pretty big site, party site on this side. And there's the pool. We are very close to the pool. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe police or cowboys. And over here is Merritt's Mill Pond. Here's the utilities. Utilities are in the shade. Number 16. Right outside our front door is Merritt's Mill Pond. So beautiful. So much wildlife. We're looking forward to exploring this area. We will do a full video of this campground at a later time. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our journey of Hurricane Idalia. Thank you to all of our new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love to have you join us. Thank you to our subscribers that have been with us from the beginning. We appreciate all of you. We just got word that the power is on at Swanee River Hideaway. Here we come. As promised, here is some information on ways to donate to the Big Bend area of Florida. "33 counties were under the state of emergency here in Florida. This will be just a short list of ways to help, and if you have any more, please add information in the comments below. We are not affiliated with any of the organizations listed here. We're just trying to help. No obligation. We just want to spread the word. The information is here if needed. Thanks again for watching, and remember, #FloridaStrong.